So the first step for me when doing this problem is to get organized. And in order to do so, I'm first going to break the expression up into its corresponding terms and number the functions or steps. We first have 3, then 2, then a larger term, 4, 1, 2, and within that we have 1, 2. Then we have 7, 6, and finally 2, 1. For functions, we first have CDR, then reverse, and finally CAR. Now that I'm organized, I can begin to solve the problem. The first step is CDR, so we're going to grab everything except for the first term in this list, which is 3. And we're left with 2, 4, parentheses 1, 2, 7, 6, and then finally 2, 1. And to make sure I don't repeat a step, I'm going to cross off CDR. The second step is reverse. So now we're going to flip all the terms. And we have 2, 1, 6, 7, big parentheses, 4, 1, 2. And it's really important to keep the parentheses so you treat 4, 1, 2 as an entire term and not as separate 4 and then 1, 2. And then finally 2. And I'm going to cross off reverse to make sure I don't repeat it. And then the third and final step is CAR. And so now we're going to grab the first term, which is 2, 1. And again, you have to make sure to keep those parentheses because if you didn't, you would probably just grab the first one, which is 2, but in fact, the final answer is 2.